Hi, I'm Miko.
And I'm JJ.
And we're step siblings. We make stupid videos
while wearing stupid clothing.
on my friend Kayla's account. Drop the tongue.
Does she still have pink hair?
No, it's actually purple now.
Oh, well done.
We make them on Kayla's account because my account is stupid and I don't want to make a new one because I'm too lazy.
I'm 13.
I'm 14.
And we
We're
live
in Ontario.
So don't mind the accent.
Yeah, apparently we have accents.
I don't know.
A
A.
boot.
Oh yeah, a boot.
A boot.
I forgot about that one.
Yeah.
Anyway. Well, this is just an
introductory kind of thing. Introductory. Good job.
To YouTube.
Pretty much.
Because we do videos.
On my friend's account.
On hardcore metal songs.
Well, songs we like.
Yeah, songs we like.
Not really hardcore metal songs.
Well, I think this is about the end.
Not really.
No?
No. Well.
Okay, well, this is what we use as a mic, right there.
My cell phone. That's me right there.
And this is what we use for a guitar. Our very own
Guitar Hero
3
guitar.
guitar.
Ooh, I put stickers on it. I decorate nicely. And I love Celine.
He thinks she's very attractive. Here's a picture of her now.
That's Macy, you idiot. That's Macy.
Is it?
That's Macy.
Sweet.
And we also use these glasses. They have eyes. I stole them from Stephen Crumby, who is in another video, but the video is with me and Kayla, not me and JJ.
Thank you, and that is our introductory.
And you just dropped my CD.